Ain't that right, you bulldozer? I was trying to get that water gate ready, bulldozer. Hello, bulldozer, old buzzard up around Oregon, and I'm circling. Come on.
Hey, I'm looking at you. I'm looking at you circling, Buzz. Hey, 121, you gotta watch your back, man. I tell you, my friend Buzz pushing people down like old Bulldozer do. High five time to you, Buzz. Look at old Bulldozer say, watch me go.
All right then, bulldozer, you tell 121 that old buzzard say hello, man. I got to go. I heard you sounding so good, I just want to say hello. Hello, bulldozer, your buzzard up around Oregon, and I'm cool. I don't know what happened to you, bulldozer, but it got rubbed, no doubt about it. I got it on gate, bulldozer. I'm gonna have to let you in. Hello once again, bulldozer, your buzzard. Bulldozer, your buzzard up around Oregon, and I'm cool.
Oh, goddamn, Buzzard. Buzzard. Hey, man, how many pounds can you hit me? You hit me at 40 dBs, what do you think?
You bulldozer, I gotta go, man. I gotta go to the store, bulldozer, and that'll ride you, bulldozer. Tell 121, like I said hello. Hello to you, bulldozer, your buzzard up around Oregon, and I'm cool.
Shooting on, skipping my little Suburban. I didn't have no ball, but he was out there keying on me with his clean at 5 ball. Clean at Mr. Roll Rock, 5 ball. 5 ball, 4 and a quarter. 5 ball, 425 in the Bayou, baby.
Hello, 4 and a quarter. Hello, 4 and a quarter. Hello, 4 and a quarter. Buzzer gotta go, man. Hello, 4 and a quarter. Your buzzing round Oregon, and I'm gone.